Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: OS version, connected displays, and the two windows you'll split. First, position both windows on your desktop. Don't maximize them. Then, on Windows, use Win plus left or Win plus right to snap a window. On Mac OS, click and hold the green button and choose Tile window to left or right. On many Linux desktops, drag to screen edge or use the System Snap shortcut. This gets both apps visible and ready for final arrangement. Once both windows are snapped, adjust the divider. Hover the vertical splitter and drag to resize, or use keyboard combos for precise steps. Win plus left slash right then up slash down for quadrants. Make sure scaling and resolution match so text and UI elements align. Change primary display in settings to influence which monitor hosts toolbars. If you need more organization, create a virtual desktop per task and snap windows there. This reduces clutter and preserves your split arrangement across workflows. To finalize, lock your layout. Enable a workspace save tool or install PowerToys, Windows, or Magnet/Rectangle, Mac OS, to restore splits on demand. If a window refuses to stay split, make sure auto-arrange is off, update or reinstall display drivers, and confirm identical scaling percentages across monitors. Mismatched DPI often moves windows. As a quick fix, restart the Window Manager, Explorer on Windows, or unplug and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.